Hello, good morning guys. My name is Darshan Toita. Today I will explain you human body temperature. The first one is purpose. Detect fever, detect abnormally low body temperature in people who have been exposed to cold. Detect abnormality high body temperature in people who have been exposed to heat. Temperature scale is measured in Celsius. Normal temperature is 36 Celsius, 37.2 Celsius. Modes of heat loss: conduction, direct heat transfer from skin to object. Convection, heat loss through air flow, also depends on air temperature. Radiation, direct transfer by electromagnetic radiation in infrared spectrum. Heat ignited by radiation from external radiant energy source. Heat lost by radiation to cooler walls of incubator. Achieve susceptibility to heat loss. High surface area to volume ratio. Thin non-keratinized skin. Lack of insulating subcutaneous. Inability to shiver. Poor vasomotor response. Factors affecting body temperature: age, infant, and greater than 75 years have trouble regulating body temperature. Diurnal variation, exercise on hard work, hormone, stress, sympathetic nervous system stimulation, environment, extremes in temperature, disease progress. The most common of measuring the temperature: oral, rectal, axillary, tympanic membrane, skin, temporal artery. Thank you.